Today I will start the subtraction between the 2-digit and the 3-digit. So the title of my today's lecture will be Subtraction between 2-digit which starts from 10 and 3-digit which ends at 999. Basically, I am going to discuss in the two parts. The part 1, here we can say that in the two terms we can say the subtraction without regrouping, that is without regrouping. Also it can be said as without borrowing. That is a very, very important part. So first I will take example 1 to explain without regrouping and without borrowing. So I will just take the example 1. Subtract 14 from 46 without, obviously, regrouping. Meaning I will explain you. For that, step 1, solution. I will write here, write subtraction in vertical column. As. Just write here. 46, then minus 14. That is called the vertical column. And here it is easy to write here ones and tens. And ask the students always to write minuend and subtrahend. And here difference. This is very, very important. And what is the meaning of without regrouping or without borrowing. Just here say the digits at O, minuend is higher than subtrahend. So I'm just writing condition for regrouping or condition for without regrouping. Condition for without regrouping or borrowing. This is very important. So what is the meaning of that? Meaning is that minuend should be greater than subtrahend. This is very, very important to define the meaning of without borrowing or without regrouping. अब देखिए, now you have seen this one. So now step 2. Step 2. First, subtract the digits at once by backward counting as. For example, I have shown in addition there is a forward counting and there are 4 methods. First, by using square, by using vertical line, by using the number line, by using tens and ones. So any method you just take, but you have to subtract. So for subtraction, what you do? You have to subtract 4 from 6. So write 6 here. Sorry. Because we have to do backward counting. So you have to write extreme right. Extreme right is 6 here. And we have to do backward counting. Just see, be careful. And I am using by the square method. So what is the subtrahend? 4. So make 1 block, then 2 block, then 3 block, 3 square, then 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since it is a subtraction and we should do backward counting, so just before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That means if you subtract from 6, the result will be 2. So here you can say equal to 2. And write 2 below ones in difference. What is the difference? This, so write 2 here. Very simple. Then, what is the next step? Step 3. Chile step 1 underline, step 2 underline, step 3. Here, you have to subtract 1 from 4 because minuend is higher than subtrahend. So, similar to this, subtract 1, better write T, from 4 at T as. Again, 4 is higher, so you have to write stream 4. Backward counting, only you have to subtract 1, so there will be 1 block. So before 4, what is the number? 3. And write 3 below T of difference. So that is here. So final result is, the result is -46 minus 14 once T is equal to 32 once T. This writing is known as horizontal way. Unless question asks horizontal way, so first you have to write it this way and follow the same procedure. Because you have to subtract digit at once, which is 6, upper minuend, and then subtrahend. That is the example 1. Now, same thing, example 2 I will give you in a verse so you can understand better way. In class 2, generally the students or teachers should prefer the subtraction without regrouping. It is easier. But with grouping, I will also discuss these things. Suppose example 2. Example 2. And in example, which is in a verse, you should prepare a question in a simple way so that a student can do and they have practice in their life. For example, a shopkeeper had has 188 liters of oil. Because the students used to buy the oil from the shop. He sold 45 liters of oil. Simple language. A children goes to shop and shopkeeper said that he had 188 liters of oil. A children needs 45 liters. So he will sell. So question is, how much oil is left with shopkeeper after selling 45 liters of oil. Now just say, I have already said in a subtraction, minuend should be higher than the subtrahend. So here, solution I am just giving you. Solution. I am writing step 1. Now 188 minus 45. Now be careful that you write OTH. Even in a question write OTH. So it is a 3-digit number and this is OT. Generally I found that the students, if not write the correctly, for example, suppose it is not written, he can write 45 here. So the result will be, there are many types of the students. So better to ask them to write OT here and OT here. So this is minuend, and this is subtrahend, and this is the difference. Ask preferably students to write the capital of the first letter. Step 1. Now it is very easy to subtract, make a rough work, and subtract 5 from 8. So write 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rough work. And I'll advise all the students, children, to have a practice of rough work on the right hand side of the copy. Just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just say what is before 8? 7. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So result is 3 at O. So write first step 3 here at O. Step 2. Step 1 means at O. डिफरेंस हमने at O किया है. यहाँ पर at T. Again write O T H. 188. 45 minus here 3. Then similarly make a difference of 4 and 8. So here you can also do. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 7, 6, 5, 4. So result is 4 at T. So write here 4. And to make the students clear, you can here also write 0 to the left of 45. If you are writing 0 left to the 45, the number will remain the same, 45. Or any number. For any number, if you are putting 0 many times, result is the same number. So here becomes just step 3. Add H. O T H. 188 minus 45 0. Then 3 4. And if you subtract 0 from any number, the result will be same number. So 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. That is how you can say, in a brief, I have just told you, in every case, the minuend, which is single digit, is always less than subtrahend at O, T, H. That means subtraction at O does not depend on T, subtraction of T does not depend on the H. That is the independent to each other. So here, that is called without borrowing. We have not borrowed. And here, without regrouping, there is no need of regrouping the difference. Now, I will give another example. And example 3, so that you will get another glimpse. Only children should remember, in addition, forward counting, in a subtraction, backward counting is important. अब देखिए एग्जाम्पल 3. Subtract now 3-digit number 104 from 5 to 7, obviously without borrowing. Without borrowing or regrouping. Solution. Is first write O T H, and before writing here, you also write here O T H. O T H. By writing these things, if you remember, for comparison, I've said that if digit at H is higher than the digit at H, so this number becomes higher, minuend. So you can write as 5 to 7. This is minuend. Then 104 is subtrahend. And this is the difference. अब देखिए कंडीशन इसमें क्या है, हियर कंडीशन क्या है कि 5 to 7 OTH is greater than 104. This is very, very important to note by the children, because the lower number is always subtracted from the higher number. You can also take like this. Now this is step 1. And अब देखिए, स्टेप 1 एट ओ कह सकते हैं, रफ वर्क करिए. अब देखिए, यू हैव टू सब्सट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 7, subtract 4 from the 7. So big digit is here. By backward counting, right? By backward counting. This is very, very important. Each term. So I'm just putting 7 here. Backward counting. 4. 1 square. 2 square. 3 square. 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before 7, back counting 6, 5, 4, 3. So write 3 here very easily. Step 2. At T. Again write O T H. 7, 2, 5. 1, 0, 4. Minus, don't miss minus. Here I have got 3. Very easily, if you subtract 0 from 2, result will be 2. Now step 3. At H. O T H. If you do like this, there is no repetition of minuend and the subtrahend. 5, 2, 7, 1, 0, 4. Minus here 3, here 2, and here obviously if you just subtract from 1 from 5, it will be 4. So that will be the end of subtraction, but don't miss to write by backward counting. And here the subtraction at ones, tens and hundreds is in a single digit. There is, all are independent. So here you can write that here the subtraction, make a note. Subtraction at O, T and H are independent to each other, are independent to each other. Then you can call without regrouping, without borrowing. Now I will give another example, and the method will be different. Example 4, but slightly the method will be different. Method is by tens and ones, which is much simpler than any other subtraction as far as single digit is concerned. Example 4. Here mentioned that subtract 112 from 225 by using वंस एंड टेंस। अब जरा ध्यान देखिएगा, ये बहुत सिंपल मेथड है। आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, बट हियर अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग सॉल्यूशन। सिंपल, राइट O T H 225 and 112 and put minus here. Actually this is the short form, इसको जो short form बोलते हैं, और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म बोलते हैं। Now I have also told you what is the expanded form. तो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म इन टर्म्स ऑफ द नंबर होता है और इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेंस एच एंड ओ भी होता है। जैसे इसका एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म क्या होगा, 2h प्लस 2t प्लस 5 वंस में लिख रहा हूं क्योंकि यहां पर ओ लिख देंगे तो 50 से कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा। अगेन हियर 1h प्लस 1t, यहां पर 1 लिखिएगा और प्लस 2 वंस। वी हैव टू सब्सट्रैक्ट। In a subtraction, all the signs are changed. Very easy. Subtract 2 from 3, 3 ones. Plus, because 5 is plus, here plus 1t, here plus 1h. So this is expanded form, and the short form you can say h t o. तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 1 1 3. This is the simplest one. Now I am giving you some problem for practice. So you don't forget to write ones, tens and 100 above the 3 digits number. Question for practice. देखिए, for practice. I am not giving answer. The reason being that the students, if following the procedure, there is no chance of any mistake. Otherwise, the teacher should check whether the answer is correct or not. Simple things. Now A. (66) minus 30. Ask the student to write minuend, subtrahend and difference. B. 29 minus 17. C. 87 minus 35. D. 89 minus 35. E. 76 minus 25. F. 255 minus 013. G. G है आपका 589 minus 589 minus 203. H. 4, 5, 6 minus 2, 2, 0. This is 2-digit as well as 3-digit, and there are many questions can be formed like that. Now, I am giving some question in the words. I. Nita brought 459 pencil. And she distributed she distributed she distributed booted 235 pencil on her birthday. Question is, how many pencil left? जी, अब देखिए इतना पेंसिल ब्रॉड किया, इतना बच्चों में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया स्कूल में, तो कितना बचा उसके पास? सो दिस माइनस दिस, सो सेम प्रोसीजर यू फॉलो. अब देखिए, रामू brought 234 toffees. And distributed 23 toffee on his birthday. Question is, how much toffee are left? अब इसी क्वेश्चन को दूसरे तरह बना सकते हैं. What is the remaining toffee with him? Generally, the English should be very simple. They are small kids, and also teachers should explain in Hindi also. So because I am just teaching in English, so that it should be at least globally can be read and can be understood. Thank you very much.